fact, the car industry is experiencing the kind of revolution it hasn't seen since the invention of the internal combustion engine. Disruptive and transformative technologies are ushering in a new and exciting era of car making. And we're not talking in 10 to 15 years, we're talking about right now. Traffilog will get you there. We've been bringing this future to companies all over the world, in Europe, Asia, America, Australia, and the Middle East. Traffilog leads the market in forward-thinking technologies and technological solutions. Traffilog system lets you access your vehicles remotely and securely, enabling you to update, carry out diagnostics, and optimize usage with zero inconvenience to the customer. Our platform uses big data analytics, prediction and machine learning, over-the-air firmware updates, vehicle IoT, and top-of-the-line cybersecurity to enable maximum uptime to vehicle, seamless vehicle updates, and predictions on mechanical failures. It enhances brand loyalty by connecting manufacturers with dealers and owners, and allows for integration with third-party aftermarket solutions and added value services. Traffilog system enables you to make better future decisions, create new solutions, and expand your offering to maximize your manufacturing potential and your overall efficiency. We know what you're looking for when you look towards the future of the automotive industry, and we can provide it. Evolution. Revolution. Traffilog.